if you press your area in this area, is it painful? If you press there, use your thumb like this, go in, press like that. If it's painful, you need to open up the lymphatic drainage in this area, okay? So check this area and open up like with your thumb like that. Open up, twist it like this, drain that muscle for tissue fluid, and then the muscle gets softer, and you can check this area again. Is it painful or less painful? For some people will say, oh, it worked, because when this muscle, brachyradialis, I say in Norwegian, it is contracted, it will pull on your biceps, and the biceps is connected to your shoulder. So try again, your highest point on your arm, go in with your thumb like that, go into the muscle like this, quite deep, and I twist it like this. Go quite deep and I twist it. There we go. And when I open that, you check your shoulder again. Is it painful in this area now? It's not? Okay. If it does not work, I will show you another technique. It's the climber grip. So I put my arm like this. I go in with my climber grip. I go to the brachyradialis like this. I'm climbing and I will pull with my elbow. Go in, pull with my elbow like that. And this muscle in this area should be soft. It should not be hard or swollen. So I use this treatment on my clients, and I have 2,500 clients every year on my clinic in Sotra, 50 minutes from Bergen. So I'm from Norway, living in Sotra. And if this muscle is contracted, it will pull on your biceps, and your shoulder pain located in this area will give you pain. So try to check it again. Go climber grip, lock your arm like this, and then we go twist it like that, like this. And normal, when the circulation to this area is blocked, you also maybe have wrist pain. So this is the bonus. I'm gonna help you with your wrist pain now. So we have a muscle here. You go in like climber grip. I lock this one like this, and I twist my wrist like that. So I'm holding it like this, and I twist it. That will also help your muscles and your shoulder pain. The other thing I'm going to show you is going with the climber grip. Go in behind your muscle in your shoulder. Go in behind like that. You see I have a good hold on the muscle. And then I pull. Pull with my elbow like this. If you have nails, maybe you have nails, try your knuckle. Go in with your knuckle like this, and I twist like that. Use my knuckle, go in, and crossing the muscle fibers like that, opening up. Alright. You can also go in pinching it like this, pinching the muscle like that. It could be painful, but this muscle should be soft, like now. Now it's soft. And I go a little bit deeper. Oh, it's hard. There we go. So it's much softer. So in this live, I will try to teach you how you can fix your shoulder pain. And the highest peak in your arm, you go in there with your thumb like this. Go in and you twist it like that. And when you twist that, it will be softer, and you can check your shoulder pain again. It's maybe it's less painful in this area. So if you want more like shoulder pain stuff, I also have a YouTube channel, Captain Painfree, I call me there. So you can check my bio, and there you also can go in YouTube if you want. And I also, of course, share with this. I also have a live subscription. If you want to learn more, ask me questions, and I can teach you more stuff. Okay. So go climber grip, go behind your shoulder like that. Captain is CPT Painfree on YouTube. CPT.painfree. pain-free, and you find me on YouTube. But you can go into the bio of my TikTok, and there you see the link to a free neck course you can take. Okay, so was that helpful? Did you experience your shoulder getting better by doing that? Please comment so I can know if it helped you. So I can see a lot of comments, but yeah, you was also on my hours and it helped. Nice. Some inflammation in the shoulder. Okay, where's your inflammation in your shoulder? Because if you have pain in this area, you have to drain the muscle in this area. So I twist it like this, and then it should be soft. Then the fluid flow gets better, and the shoulder should be better. Okay, from Scotland, nice. So maybe if your shoulder pain, it could also come for your shoulder blade. So if this not helped you with your shoulder, maybe you have to open up your back behind of your shoulder, because your arm and your shoulder is connected to your shoulder blade. But that's the hard part, going in with the climber grip behind here, and you have to pull upwards. And in this area, it should be a little bit painful for you. You drain it like that. And then I go in with your climber grip, go